Now, the National Hurricane Center has issued its 11 a.m. update in terms of Tropical Depression force. Let's go ahead and take a look at this storm again over Cuba and making its way in towards the Gulf of Mexico. And though intensification of this storm has been slow, it is still expected to intensify into a tropical storm before it does make landfall. So in the next 48 hours, model certainty continues to grow that this storm will make landfall here in the Big Bend region of Florida. Now, because of this increasing certainty, the National Hurricane Center has already issued some tropical storm watches and warnings, as well as a hurricane watch for the Big Bend region here in Florida. So that means that we could expect to see hurricane conditions over the next 48 hours, as well as tropical storm conditions over the next 48 hours in these regions. Now, past this time, we continue to watch this track increase in certainty, which means we could begin to see some effects for us here in Georgia over the next couple of days as well. So you'll notice past Sunday night into Monday, we start to see the storm make its way into the southeastern part of Georgia. Now you'll notice that that does bring some impacts to our southeastern counties here in central Georgia. So really what we're looking at from Sunday into Monday is the chance to see some flash flooding or some flooding in general here in central Georgia in our southeastern counties. So we continue to watch that as model certainty grows. That does begin to look more and more promising for Monday. Now, past Monday, that's when the uncertainty returns to us. So we can look at our long-range models again. General certainty until about Monday into Tuesday. Then we start to see some uncertainty in terms of what the models are expecting this storm to do. So making its way over towards Charleston past Tuesday, but then in the later part of the week, the GFS and Euro models do bring this storm back towards the central Georgia region once again. So we could be impacted by this storm in the later part of the week. But again, as we continue to push further and further into the week, not all models are agreeing that this is what the storm is going to do. So we'll continue to watch the spaghetti plots. You'll notice here behind me, good agreement until we get about to Tuesday. Then you start to see lots of disagreement and some uncertainty in the forecast once again. So we continue to bring you updates as we have them. But as of right now, that is the expectation with Tropical Depression 4. Meteorologist Ansley Parker, 13 WMAZ News.